A dictionary is another collection to store multiple items. The other three are list, tuple and set. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets like sets, and they consist of key value pairs. The key and the value is separated by a comma. For example, we can see the key city and the value London in my example in the red, or the key age and the value 25, the key year and the value 2023, and so on. Dictionaries are ordered. Prior to Python 3.7 they were not ordered, but since 3.7 and later versions they are now ordered, which means items have a defined order and that order will not change. And new items will be placed at the end of the dictionary, and dictionaries are changeable, so you are able to change, add and remove items to an existing dictionary. But duplicates are not allowed, so they cannot have two items with the same key, for example. And as a side note, the values in a dictionary item can be of any type, and you can even include a list itself. So if we look at the example in red, we can see favourite cars, that's a list. And the list called favourite_cars consists of 3 items or elements, which are BMW, Audi and Mercedes. And moving on to the methods. So what methods are supported by a dictionary? And these are the ones listed in red. So clear will remove all the items from the dictionary. Copy will return a copy of the dictionary. Fromkeys returns the specified keys and values. Get returns the value of a specified key, which is good to use as it does not return an error if the value key does not exist. So your program can continue to run. We'll have a look at this in PyCharm. Items returns all of the items. That is all of the key value pairs. Keys return the keys within the dictionary. Pop removes the specified item from the dictionary. Popitem removes the last key value pair. Setdefault returns the value of the specified key. Then the second to last one is update. With update you can add specified key value pair to the dictionary. So you add a key value pair to the existing dictionary. And then the last one, values. Values returns all of the values in the dictionary. Let's have a look at some of these in PyCharm. We are back on PyCharm and I'm going to paste in my dictionary, the one that we had on PowerPoint. So it's called my_dictionary and we want to print this out to the console. So let's do a print my dictionary, and let's run the file to make sure it runs. So we see all the items, the elements of my dictionary. We see the key value pair, city, London, age, 25, etc. And what we can also do is use the items method. So if we print the items method, print my_dictionary.items, and the items method returns a tuple of each key value pair. So let's run the file, and we can see the print function above with the print function and passing the items method. The one below it, they are in key value pairs again, separated by these brackets. So we've got another one here for age, and then for year here, and so on. Or we can print a particular item. So if I hash these, so the way we print a particular item is to print my_dictionary as usual, and then in square brackets we can specify, let's say, the key age. Because I've hashed these ones will not run, and we should receive the key value pair for age instead. Let's run the file. So I've missed my commas. Let's run the file again. So this time if I run the file, because I'm passing age, I should get the value of 25. Or we can print all of the keys. Let's do another one. Print my_dictionary.keys. Let's run the file. And we can see the key of my dictionary here. So we have printed the keys, city, age, year and favourite cars. And we can do that for value as well. So if I copy this line and paste it in again, change the keys to the values method, and let's run the file. So now the third line down we see all of the values. Let's have a look at another method. Let's hash these out. So usually if I wanted to print something that does not exist, so age does exist, but let's say I type this in wrong, I used a small a or a completely different key altogether, and if we run the file, this breaks the program, so the program stops. And this is a bad thing because the program stops running, so it doesn't continue with the rest of the program. And this is where the get method comes into play. So let's use the get method here. .get. By the way, we can see all of the methods here. So if I scroll down, you can see what's available with the dictionary. So we can see all of the methods at the top. Let's use the get method here. And now let's type in age again and run the file. I have forgot another bracket. Let's put in another bracket there and run the file again. And of course, my commas. And let's run the file one more time. So this time it gives us some feedback of none, but the file continues running. So it doesn't stop the program continues to run. And that's the important bit here. Let's type in age with a capital A, just for completeness, just so we see the value of 25. And for the last method, let's create a copy of my underscore dictionary. So I'd do that by typing in my underscore dictionary 2 as the new name for the new one. So you can call the copy whatever you like, give it a name, and then equals my underscore dictionary, and then let's use the method .copy, the top one here. Let's double click that, and now let's print my underscore dictionary 2. We can see it's giving us some suggestions of both dictionaries here, so I want the top one. I've double clicked that, and now let's run the file. Actually, let's finish off by using the update method. So we can use the update method to update my underscore dictionary. Let's remove this part and then change the copy to update method. Now inside, using curly brackets, we specify our key value pair. Let's go with gender, and then our colon, space. Now we would specify our key, which we will call male. Now let's change this to my underscore dictionary, not dictionary 2, and let's run the file. Now we can see at the end it's updated that, so we now have our new key value pair of gender male. And that's it for this video. So that's the last one on data structures. So we just had a look at dictionaries, the collection type dictionaries, and we had a look at the different methods supported by the dictionary as well.